Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on my daughter's hair. I'll be doing flat twists. The first step I used was to shampoo, detangle, and moisturize her hair just to take some of that out of the video so it wouldn't be too long. So if you would like to see me do a wash day routine, let me know in the comments below. I like to also have a spray bottle on hand, or if I don't have a spray bottle, a leave-in conditioner just in case her hair starts to get dry. And you'll also see that I used gel on the ends just to make it a little neater. Now I just secure her hair in a ponytail, and then I'll be wrapping all the twists up into a bun to make it a true protective style, and just secure that bun in with a bobby pin. Her hair is a little bit finer. I don't need much to lay down her edges, but I just used a little eco styler and then did her edges with that. Brushed them back, or you'll see I'll also use a comb. Here's the finished product. She loves her hair. This should last her the whole school week, and I'll come back for the next video to do a wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, let baby girl know that you liked it, and thanks for watching.